Hello viewers, welcome to my channel again. Today I am going to discuss the significance of water scene in Macbeth. Let's start. Act 2 Scene 3 constitutes the Potter scene in Macbeth. At the end of the previous scene, Lady Macbeth and Macbeth hear a knocking at the southern palace gate very early in the morning after the murder of Duncan at midnight. The potter appears in the scene. He is in a drunken state. He had gone to bed late at night and he unwillingly gets up early to open the gate. He imagines himself as the gatekeeper of the hill, having plenty of turning keys to unlock the gate. He thinks that he has to admit sinners to hell. He fancies that he will have admitted three men to hell. One of these three is a farmer who committed suicide on account of financial loss on the expectation of plenty. So, the potter wants the farmer to bring with him handkerchiefs, for he will be sweating in the hell. Then he hears the knocking again and thinks that equivocation has arrived. This man committed treason for the sake of God and he could not go to heaven. He hears another knocking and imagines that surely an English tailor who stole clothes out of a French has come to the hell. He assures the tailor that he will have fire enough for heating his smoothing iron, but the repeated knocking awakes him to reality. He feels that the palace is so cold that it cannot be the hell. So he gives up the thoughts of admittance into the hell. Then he opens the gate to Macduff and Lennox. The Potter scene has immense dramatic importance, but Coleridge, Clark, and Wright have challenged the genuineness of the scene and think that Shakespeare wrote only a few words of the Potter's speech. So they call it spurious. The Clarendon editors consider it strange and out of harmony with the horrors that surrounded it. They further think that the scene was interpreted by actors. However, Professor Hulse, De Quincey, Professor Sengupta, and Neath Moore explain that the Potter's speech is Shakespearean from the theatrical and artistic point of view. Its style and language are Shakespearean. The Potter scene has a dramatic necessity because it gives comic relief from the intensity of the murder scene. The buffoonery of the Potter takes away the awful tension of the murder scene. But for the scene, the horror of intensity of the discovery scene would have been too much for the audience to bear. The Potter's speech is theatrically necessary because the action who plays the role of Macduff should be allowed time to change his costume and wash his hand. The Potter's speech provides terribly dramatic irony who characterizes the whole tragedy. The satirical Potter scene, written in earthly prose, is intended a comic relief in the grim tragic atmosphere. The sordid, tense, and serious atmosphere of conspiracy and murder is slightly eased by the humorous speeches of the Potter. It is woven into the drama in such a way that they have widened and enriched the tragic significance. Like the gravediggers in Hamlet, the speeches of the fool in King Lear, the Potter's nonsense verbatim aims to relieve the tension and heightens the tragic element by contrast. Thank you very much for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.